Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a clipping mask in a picture and get a cool effect similar to this one in front of you, where you can put a design, pattern, drawing inside of another shape or object. In the case of this picture, I have this gradient inside the picture of the iguana. So let's see how it's done. So in this picture I have two layers, not counting the background. I have a picture of my iguana that I drew, and then I have a picture of a gradient that I made. And this could be a photograph, this layer could be another drawing, this could be a pattern, this could be anything you want. I just have a simple gradient that I made. And I want that pattern to be above the layer of my drawing that it's going to go into. So not under it, but above it. Now, a lot of other apps that I've used in the past, like Photoshop and similar apps, do layer masks or clipping masks differently, and they call them different things also. Sometimes the layer that is going into the image is below the actual image, so in some cases it's down here. In Procreate, the pattern you want to go into the image is above the layer that you want it to go into. And it's very easy to do. So I'm going to tap the little thumbnail on layer 3 where my pattern is. I'm going to choose clipping mask. And instantly it puts it into the drawing underneath. Now if I want to, I can go into layer 2 and make adjustments so I can erase part of the picture. So maybe I erase part of the branch, and you can see it erases the clipping mask or the image inside the image as well. I can also go back and draw more into the image. So maybe I want to make the branch longer or bring that branch back that I just erased. And as you draw, it will fill in whatever is in that part of the clipping mask. If you don't like the way the clipping mask is laying inside the image, go to that layer, use the arrow tool in the top left hand of your screen, and you can even move around the image in your clipping mask. You can scale it and stretch it and make it bigger and make it fit what works for you. So that's how clipping masks work. It's a very cool feature. You can get some really cool effects with it. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you are able to do it. Thanks for liking this video, ringing that bell, subscribing. Leave any comments below, and I'll see you next time.